Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to Heartbeat Haven. Today we're about to embark on a journey of discovery, one that could be a game changer in the way we perceive our health. We're unraveling an intriguing connection that might surprise you. You see, those feelings of numbness or cold in your legs and feet, those moments of discomfort you've been brushing aside, they might be more than just minor nuisances. Indeed, these signs could be your body's way of alerting you to potential heart troubles. Now, isn't that surprising? But how are these two seemingly distinct areas connected? Well, our bodies are complex systems where everything is interconnected. When one part of the system encounters a problem, it can ripple out, affecting other areas, and that's exactly what we're talking about today. The circulation in our legs and feet could be a mirror, reflecting the health of our heart. But why is this connection so important? It's simple. Understanding this connection could be your first step towards preventive care, towards taking charge of your health. By recognizing these signs, you can take early action, preventing potential heart issues from escalating. So, are you ready to dive deeper into this fascinating connection? Are you ready to unlock the secrets your body might be trying to tell you? Let's venture together into this journey of understanding and awareness. Stick with us as we explore the top 5 ways this seemingly isolated issue is closely tied to your cardiovascular health. Before we delve into the connections, let's understand what poor circulation in the legs and feet actually means. It's not as simple as feeling a bit chilly or experiencing a tingling sensation in your toes. It's your body's alarm system, alerting you to an underlying issue that could be more serious than you think. Poor circulation is the reduced flow of blood through your veins and arteries, often caused by a blockage or narrowing of these vessels. This is typically due to a condition known as peripheral artery disease, or PAD, where fatty deposits build up in the arteries, causing them to narrow and restrict the flow of blood. This reduced blood flow primarily affects the legs and feet, but it's not just about discomfort or numbness in these areas. Poor circulation can lead to a host of problems, from muscle pain and cramps to skin discoloration, and even slow-healing wounds. But why should we be concerned about poor circulation in our legs and feet? Well, it's because these symptoms can be an early warning sign of more serious health issues. The same fatty deposits that cause PAD can also build up in the arteries supplying blood to your heart and brain. This can lead to heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. In fact, poor circulation in the legs and feet can directly impact the heart's functionality. When the arteries are narrowed, the heart has to work harder to pump blood through these smaller vessels. Over time, this can strain the heart, leading to conditions like heart disease and heart failure. Now, it's important to remember that poor circulation isn't a disease in itself, but a symptom of underlying health issues, many of which can be serious if left untreated. So, if you're experiencing symptoms like cold feet, leg pain, or slow-healing wounds, don't ignore these signs. They could be your body's way of telling you that something's not quite right with your circulation, and by extension, your heart health. Reduced blood flow can result from narrowed arteries, which in turn can impact the heart's functionality. It's vital to pay attention to early warning signs. Our bodies are incredibly intelligent systems, and they often communicate with us through symptoms that may seem insignificant. When it comes to poor circulation in the legs and feet, this communication can take many forms. And recognizing these signs is a crucial step towards early detection and prevention of potential heart troubles. The most common sign of poor circulation is a persistent feeling of coldness or numbness in your legs and feet. This could be accompanied by a tingling sensation similar to pins and needles, which might come and go. If you've been feeling this way, it's worth taking note. Another significant symptom is leg cramps or pain, especially during physical activity. This could manifest as a sudden sharp pain or a dull ache that persists over time. Similarly, swelling in the legs and feet, known as edema, is a common sign of poor circulation. If you notice that your legs or feet are consistently swollen, it could be your body's way of signaling a problem. Now let's talk about changes in skin color. When there's insufficient blood flow, your skin may appear paler or even bluish. This is because blood, which carries oxygen, gives your skin its healthy pinkish glow. If you notice such changes, it's a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. Slow-healing wounds are another significant red flag. Good circulation is essential for the healing process, so if you have a wound that's taking longer than usual to heal, it could be a sign of poor circulation. And finally, Consistent coldness in your extremities despite warm surroundings is one of the most telltale signs of poor circulation. If your hands and feet are always cold, it's not something you should ignore. Remember, these symptoms are your body's way of saying something isn't right. Paying attention to them and seeking medical advice can help nip potential heart troubles in the bud. Changes in skin color, slow healing wounds, and consistent coldness in the extremities are also indications that something might be amiss. Here's the critical connection. Poor circulation in the legs and feet could be a manifestation of atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis, a term that might seem complex, is actually fairly simple to understand. It's a condition where fatty deposits or plaques build up in your arteries. This buildup can cause the arteries to narrow or even become blocked, restricting blood flow. Visualize it this way. Imagine a water hose. If the hose is clear, water flows freely. But if a blockage occurs, the flow of water becomes restricted. The same principle applies to your arteries. When blood flow is restricted, it means that oxygen and nutrients carried by the blood can't efficiently reach tissues and organs. And that's where the problems begin. Let's focus now on the heart, the engine that powers our bodies. It needs a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients to function effectively. The coronary arteries are responsible for delivering this vital supply to the heart muscle. But what happens when these arteries become affected by atherosclerosis? That's right, the heart supply line becomes compromised. This can lead to conditions like angina, which is chest pain caused by reduced blood flow to the heart muscle. In severe cases, it can even result in a heart attack. This is why poor leg and foot circulation shouldn't be brushed off lightly. It's not just about discomfort or numbness, it's a potential signal of underlying heart troubles. So essentially, the arteries in your legs and feet are like canaries in a coal mine, giving us early warning signs of possible issues elsewhere. If atherosclerosis is affecting the arteries in your legs and feet, it's likely that it's also affecting other arteries, including those leading to your heart. This condition can also affect the arteries leading to your heart. Understanding the risk factors is key. Factors such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, smoking, diabetes, and a sedentary lifestyle can contribute to both poor circulation and heart troubles. These are the silent culprits that wreak havoc on your cardiovascular health. However, awareness is the first step towards prevention. It's important to pay attention to your body and lifestyle habits. Are you getting enough physical activity? Are your meals balanced and nutritious? How well are you managing stress? These are questions that can guide you towards healthier choices. Embrace an active lifestyle. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, or simply taking a brisk walk. Prioritize a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These heart-healthy foods not only improve circulation, but also keep cholesterol levels in check. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of stress management. Regular relaxation and mindfulness practices can work wonders for your heart health. Making proactive lifestyle changes, such as staying physically active, eating heart-healthy foods, and managing stress, can significantly reduce these risks. Remember, self-diagnosing isn't the answer. As we navigate the complex world of health and wellness, it's essential to remember the importance of professional medical advice. When the warning signs start to appear, perhaps persistent leg cramps, a change in skin color, or unusual coldness in your feet, it's time to turn away from the search engine and turn towards a healthcare professional. These experts have spent years studying the intricate workings of the body and understand the subtleties that we may easily overlook. They can identify if your symptoms of poor circulation are indeed a harbinger of heart troubles. Their expertise allows them to provide tailored guidance, taking into account your personal health history, lifestyle, and unique circumstances. They can conduct comprehensive tests to assess your situation accurately. This critical step not only aids in accurate diagnosis, but also helps in developing a targeted treatment plan. They can conduct tests, assess your situation, and provide tailored guidance to ensure your overall health. Before making any changes to your health regimen, always consult your doctor. Always remember, dear viewers, that your health is paramount, and any changes related to it should be made under the guidance of a healthcare professional. What we share here on Heartbeat Haven is aimed at spreading awareness and empowering you with knowledge. But it's not intended to replace or substitute for professional medical advice. In the vast and complex world of healthcare, it's easy to fall into the trap of self-diagnosis, especially with the internet being a treasure trove of information. But it's important to understand that each one of us is unique. Our bodies behave differently. They react differently to stimuli, and hence, the treatments we require are different too. So even if you find that you're experiencing symptoms similar to the ones discussed in our videos, it's crucial to reach out to a healthcare provider for a thorough evaluation. And why is that? Because professional medical advice is tailored to you. It's based on your medical history, your current health status, and several other factors that only a trained medical professional can accurately assess. They are equipped with the knowledge and tools to understand the root cause of your symptoms and can guide you towards the most beneficial course of action. With that being said, we encourage you to use the information we provide as a starting point. Let it be the catalyst that sparks your curiosity and encourages you to take charge of your health. Let it inspire you to ask questions, to seek answers, and to engage in meaningful conversations with your healthcare provider. Now, moving on to another essential aspect of our discussion today, the importance of staying informed and updated. As we've explored in this video, poor circulation in the legs and feet can potentially indicate heart troubles. This connection might not be obvious, but knowing about it can make all the difference. It's information like this that can help you stay proactive about your health. And that's exactly what we aim to provide here at Heartbeat Haven. But remember, dear viewers, staying informed isn't just about absorbing information. It's about understanding it, questioning it, and applying it in a way that benefits your health. So if there's anything that you didn't understand in our videos, or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you navigate your health journey, one heartbeat at a time. And on that note, we'd like to invite you to join our community. If you found the information shared in this video valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel. By hitting the subscribe button, you'll not only get access to our latest videos, but also become a part of a community that values health, knowledge, and mutual support. As we move forward, we promise to continue delivering content that is engaging, informative, and most importantly, beneficial to your health. We have a lot more topics to delve into, a lot more connections to unravel, and we'd love for you to be a part of this journey. But before we wrap up, let's take a moment to remind ourselves of the key message of today's video. Listen to your body, pay attention to the signals it's sending you, stay proactive about your health, and always seek professional advice when needed. Thank you for tuning in, dear viewers. We appreciate your time and your eagerness to learn. Remember, every single step you take towards better health counts. It's a journey, not a race. So take it one day at a time, one heartbeat at a time. If you found this information valuable, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Stay healthy, everyone.